Did you make notes also?
Yes, I have made notes.
So it's a very time consuming thing.
Yes,
कैसे
yes.
मैनेज करते थे आप नोट्स बनाना?
Well, I have got a very good app that is Jotero.
जुटे रहो. आज तक का बिगेस्ट सेक्रीफाइसेस क्या रहा है आपकी लाइफ में?
I would say edit app only.
So, hi everyone. So, today we have with us James, who has recently cleared SEBI Grade A 2024 exam. Well, you all know that James have been working with us as an SME in the SEBI and RBI domain. So, after Nishant sir last year, now James is the second person who has cleared the exam while working at EduTap, and APFC, SEBI, both of these have been very prestigious exams. So, I'm really happy. और मैंने जो एक चीज जो मैं भी अभी ऑब्जर्व कर रहा हूँ, दैट्स अ कॉमन पैटर्न, दैट व्हाट आई थिंक इज दैट जो लोग ना, मतलब जिन्होंने निकलना है उन्होंने काम करते करते भी निकल जाना है. मतलब बोथ निशांत सर एंड जेम्स, दे हैव बीन एक्सेलेंट एट देयर ओनरशिप, और बहुत अच्छा काम किया इन्होंने. देयर वाज नेवर अ क्रिबिंग के यार मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है या वो है. मतलब ही प्लान्ड इट वेरी वेल के इनको जब भी जो छुट्टियां चाहिए, इट वाज वेरी स्मूथ थिंग. सो I think वही है कि एक attitude matters a lot, and he has shown a lot of grit while working at EduTap. He was able to clear his secondary exam, though his primary aim was RBI. So really well done for that. और while my interaction with James have always been kind of a stress buster, where I would have been kind of pulling his leg and we have been laughing at things. But when I came to know about his story today, which we would be sharing in the video, so there are a lot of ups and downs. It is not really as happy as it seems from outside. So let us listen to that when we have a detailed video. So first of all, congratulations, James.
Thank you, sir.
And I hope that we have a great interview today and you are able to inspire the next generation, or the next set of aspirants rather. So this is a achievers batch for you.
What?
Let us just focus there, and you can just pin it on your chest. And this is a very good book. I hope you would need it when you face the bureaucratic environment at SEBI. This is about courage to be disliked. So you will need. So anything you would like to say? You already know all of them out here, right? So, but anything you would like to say after you have achieved this feat?
There's nothing new to say anything. Everyone know. And we talk every day. So, but it's been wonderful to work here with the team which I'm working. They're very helpful, very energizing, and very talented. So this also has helped me in my journey, which I will be talking in the interview later part. Thank you everyone.
मुझे पहले ही पता था इसका होगा. That I mean I don't know, but I told him in October itself that this, because when I see his work, the quality he was delivering in his notes and his MCQs and whatever work he was doing, so I knew that he would easily clear SEBI, RBI or any such exam. It's just a matter of time. So I think you deserved it. Any questions you have?
Setting.
I mean, you can ask it in a formal manner or an informal manner. Just not consider that he has been working here, so you know all about him. There is a lot to know about him, I'll tell you. And he's a very simple person, you can see, right? He's like that.
Insightful.
No questions?
Your favorite subject in SEBI?
Favorite subject in
subject?
SEBI? Nothing favorite.
No, I am my favorite
favorite or most disliked subject in
Disliked.
dislike subject. Economics. Very difficult.
So Kritika ma'am is not here.
Yeah.
Chalo, so let's go for the interview.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Hello guys. So SEBI Grade A 2024 के result are already out, and today in interview series with toppers we have a very dear student of ours, James Natala. Welcome James.
Thank you, sir.
So James NIT वारंगल से हैं और ये 3 साल से रेगुलेटरी बॉडीज एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं. प्राइमरी एम आरबीआई था, बट कहीं में इनको बीच में लगा कि नहीं, देयर शुड बी अ बैकअप. ही स्टार्टेड प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर सेबी और अभी इन्होंने सेबी का एग्ज़ाम क्लियर किया है. एंड इज़ अ वेरी डियर स्टूडेंट ऑफ आर्स. उसकी ये जो खास रीज़न है वो ये है कि जेम्स एडुटैप में ही जॉब कर रहे थे पिछले अराउंड 1 ईयर से. ही वॉज एन SME इन दी रेगुलेटरी बॉडीज डोमेन. तो बहुत खुशी होती है जब आप ही के आंगन में से कोई सक्सेस स्टोरी निकलती है, तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. तो फर्स्ट आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क जेम्स दैट आफ्टर दिस सक्सेस कैसा लग रहा है यार आपको?
Sir, I am really feeling too happy
Hmm.
and finally feeling relieved.
रिलीव लग रहा है कि अब ये पढ़ाई से छुटकारा मिल जाएगा.
हाँ जी सर, यस.
तो जेम्स, अगर मैं एक सिंपल क्वेश्चन पूछूं कि अब सक्सेस मिल गया है, आप किन लोगों को इस सक्सेस का श्रेय देना चाहेंगे? एट द टॉप ऑफ योर माइंड व्हाट आर द नेम्स दैट कम इमीडिएटली?
श्रेय क्या होते हैं?
Oh, Shrey James is from the southern part of India, so I am little wrong in using two core Hindi here. Shrey means credit. आप
Okay,
क्रेडिट
sir.
किसको देना चाहेंगे?
Well, I cannot give credit to only a single person.
Hmm.
Well, the credit will goes to multiple people like my family and obviously the EduTab and the people who are here and my friends.
Great. So James, RBI कैसे हुआ? मतलब see, you are from NIT वारंगल. That's a very prestigious institute. So NIT से तो बहुत अच्छी अच्छी jobs लगती हैं.
हाँ जी सर.
You were not able to get a job or you didn't opted for, what was the reason that you started preparing for RBI and not took a campus placement?
Well, my graduation has been completed in 2021. At the time, COVID was at peak.
Hmm.
So there was lockdowns and restrictions for the moment and all. So in my college, companies were not coming, and the companies whichever are coming are also putting lot of restrictions like this much CGPA should be there, these candidates only should come, these branches and all. And I have also seen the situations at the COVID time when people were unable to come to their home and people were stuck at some places and there are a lot of layoffs are happening. So I have decided that I should get a government job which is a stable job and that should also give me a good career growth and all. Then I started searching in the Google which government jobs pays the highest salary.
So salary was the main motivation
Yeah,
at
at
that
that time salary was only the motivation. Then I found RBI SEBI at the top. Then I decided that I will prepare for this because private is also giving that much and government is also giving that much. And I am getting the job security and financial stability and all. So
बट यूपीएससी आपके मन में नहीं आया क्योंकि वहाँ पे जो पावर है, प्रेस्टीज है, पैसा है, वो शायद अलग ही है, आरबीआई से भी ज़्यादा है.
yes sir, but the UPSC is more of a political domain related. So there is a lot of political interference and all. So I didn't took that.
So when you started, your primary aim was RBI.
Yes sir.
So how did SEBI happen? And how do you now tell students कि यार क्या बैकअप होना ज़रूरी है या क्या अदर रेगुलेटरी बॉडीज एग्ज़ाम की आरबीआई के साथ तैयारी करनी चाहिए और क्यों करनी चाहिए?
Well, backup is very important point and getting a job is a must one. So whenever you get a job, you do not leave that. You should take that job, whatever it is, whether it is a clerk, PO, or any other job, private job also, because you can prepare for these exams while working also. You do not require to invest 8 hours a day or 10 hours a day. 4 hours is enough. With 6 months is enough for RBI and SEBI. So
तो मतलब आरबीआई में ऐसा कुछ हुआ जिसकी वजह से आपने सेबी को चुना या शुरू से ही आपने सेबी को चुना?
well, I have seen lot of people in the Telegram groups where they are preparing for last 3 years and 4 years and unable to clear the RBI. Then I decided I should have some backup plan. If I don't clear RBI, at least I will get into some other regulatory body which is a good paying job and has some good career growth and dynamic one. Then I came across it.
तो आरबीआई की जर्नी आपकी कैसे रही? आपने 2021 में पहला अटेम्प्ट दिया था,
Yes sir.
राइट? तो उस साल क्या हुआ, फिर अगले साल क्या हुआ? कैन यू जस्ट 2022 में पहला अटेम्प्ट दिया था.
I've given in 2022.
So what was the result that year?
In 2022 I cleared the phase 1 but I couldn't clear the phase 2.
And then 23?
23 I have given interview but I couldn't clear the
So that must be heartbreaking.
Yes, it is.
So you were expecting that के होगा उस साल 2023 में?
Yeah, I was very confident that I will get in, but results are not in our hands. So it was
So
really
वो
sad.
ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस था जो 2023 में कि इस
Yeah,
साल पक्का निकल जाऊंगा, वो कहीं ना कहीं टूटा.
yeah, I would say that is a lot of overconfidence at that time.
सो मतलब एक ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस टूटने की जो एक फीलिंग है मैं समझ सकता हूँ. आई हैव आल्सो
Mm,
फेस्ड इट. तो कैसा लगा था आपको उस वक्त कि आप एनआईटी वारंगल छोड़कर यू स्टार्टेड प्रिपेयरिंग. 2022 चला गया,
yes.
2023 में अच्छा हुआ,
Mm,
आपको लगा कि मेरा सिलेक्शन होगा बट हुआ नहीं,
mm.
कॉन्फिडेंस बुरी तरह टूटा. क्या फीलिंग थी उस टाइम पे, कैसा लग रहा था?
I was totally heartbroken,
हम्म.
devastated.
हम्म.
Then I thought ki I should definitely get some job. I
हम्म.
should shift my mind to
हम्म.
something else so that I
हम्म.
will forget these results.
हम्म.
Then I came across LinkedIn and I started applying for whatever jobs I'm getting,
हम्म.
like in every other portal.
हम्म.
Then I came across EduTab
हम्म.
job posting. Then
हम्म.
I thought, okay, this is nice
हम्म.
because I will be studying also and I will be working also.
हम्म.
So my mind will be also diverted and I will also gain some professional
हम्म.
experience, which is
हम्म.
also important for RBI.
हम्म.
Then I came to
सो योर
EduTab.
मैसेज वुड बी कि यार कहीं ना कहीं अगर आप एग्जाम की तैयारी कर चुके हैं, 1 साल लगा चुके हैं, सो यू शुड नॉट सिट आइडियल एट होम. यू शुड
Yeah,
ट्राई टू गेट अ जॉब बिकॉज दैट विल हेल्प यू शिफ्ट योर फोकस ऑन समथिंग एल्स, एंड you can anyways prepare while working after 1 year.
yes. I would say if someone has invested 1 year,
Hmm.
then they must have some very good knowledge because they have invested a whole 1 year for this
Hmm.
exam.
Hmm.
So I would suggest them they should get a job
Hmm.
as fast as they can, whether
Hmm.
it may be a government one or a private
Hmm.
one, whether it's a small one or a bigger one. Getting a job is important. That would help them in the
Hmm.
future
Hmm.
prospects such as
आई थिंक
RBI.
इंटरव्यू में भी थोड़ा एक अलग एरिया में इंटरव्यू जा सकता है इफ यू हैव डन अ जॉब rather than being a fresher.
Yes, I would like to give an example from my case only
हाँ.
because I have given in RBI when I was a fresher. I do not have a job.
Hmm.
I know, like I was very tense, like in which area my interview will go.
हाँ.
That is one important
Hmm.
point. And second point is the stress. Okay, I don't have anything in my hand. If I lose
Hmm.
this interview, what will happen?
Hmm.
So these two are important. So now I have a job.
Hmm.
So now I have cleared these two important barriers.
Hmm.
One, I have a backup. If I don't clear
Hmm.
SEBI, that is fine. I will still work in EduTap. And second one, my interview will go in the area which I am expecting.
Hmm.
Because I know very less people will go to SEBI from this kind of background, from an edtech.
हाँ.
So definitely they will be interested to know, okay, what does they do in this, and does they have this knowledge to do
हाँ.
this? They
हाँ.
will ask in this. So I have prepared in these lines only, and the interview went also in these lines only.
अच्छा यार एक बात बताओ, मतलब एडुटैप में मुझे तो पता है कि काफ़ी काम रहता है बिकॉज इट्स अ
हाँ.
वेरी डायनेमिक थिंग. चीज़ें को अपडेट करना, करंट अफेयर्स एंड एवरीथिंग. हाउ डिड यू मैनेज योर प्रिपरेशन वाइल वर्किंग एट एडुटैप? मतलब यार मेरे से तो पर्सनल और प्रोफेशनल लाइफ ही मैनेज नहीं हो रही है. आपने पर्सनल भी की, प्रोफेशनल भी की, और साथ में स्टूडेंट लाइफ भी आपने अपनी मैनेज की.
Yeah.
सो हाउ वाज दैट पॉसिबल?
Well, this is a very tricky question. I cannot answer
No,
this frankly to
you can be honest. I know where are you going. Maybe you were using some part of your job time in studying, but you were doing a great work. I must tell everyone that James had been a very good person in taking ownership, whatever we assigned to him, and he was doing it on time, and he was doing it with the least number of errors that could have come. सो उन्होंने अपना काम बहुत अच्छे से किया है, इसीलिए मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ कि आप कैसे मैनेज करते थे?
Sir, first of all, I really do have a good knowledge, so I am able to complete the tasks in a very little amount of time.
Hmm.
And I use the various website and tools
Hmm.
to simplify the things.
Hmm.
At the same time, I focus much on the content deliverable
Hmm.
rather than the size of the content that I'm giving.
Hmm.
Um, so I used to save a lot of time by finishing the tasks in time,
Hmm.
and I used to finish the task before the deadline.
हाँ.
Let's say the deadline is day after tomorrow. I will finish the task by today only, and I will use the next day to study
Study.
in the free time. And in the lunchtime also, I do not take the breaks during my preparation, as you might have seen.
I have seen. In fact, I mean, James used to leave office half an hour early because he had a kind of an agreement that I'll not waste my lunch time in doing lunch. He was working even at that time.
Yes. So I would save the time there, and I would prepare. And in my personal time also, when I go to home, I do not cook at all because that would take a lot of time to cleaning and cutting and chopping, cooking and all. So I would just I decided that I will just invest my money for this because I will be getting a higher returns later. So I
मतलब
just
अभी 1,000 रुपया कुक को दे दो और फिर अपनी सैलरी 3 गुना कर लो सेबी में जाके.
हाँ, correct sir.
So that is what we mean when we say कि risk versus return.
Yeah.
तो आपका तो कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड भी नहीं था जेम्स, यू आर अ इंजीनियर. तो कॉमर्स बैकग्राउंड के काफ़ी सब्जेक्ट्स हैं सेबी में,
Yeah.
अकाउंट्स है, कॉस्टिंग है, कंपनीज एक्ट है. सो उनको कैसे मैनेज किया? वो वाज इट लाइक डूएबल एट योर एंड और वाज इट डिफिकल्ट?
Well, they are very difficult in the beginning,
Hmm.
but with the help I have got here and the support and the materials that I have access. As you know, I am working in the content department, so I do have access to all the materials. So I used to read a lot, whichever are not in my domain also, and the people who are in the accounts and in the economics, such as Manan, Manan and Kritika ma'am, who are very helpful. Like Kritika ma'am was like totally a very nice person, I would say. She has a very good knowledge, and she would address my doubts even at odd hours also, even off work
After
also.
work.
Yeah. So I would like to give credit for the economics to her only.
कृतिका मैम.
Yeah.
हाँ, नाइस. कृतिका मैम हैज़ बीन वेरी प्रोफेशनल आई वुड से. तो वही है, एक एटीट्यूड होता है यार हम सबका. जैसे मैंने बोला कि ये काम भी करते थे ऑफिस में तब भी सिलेक्शन निकाल लिया. आई ऑल्सो सी अदर पीपल जो ऑफिस में काम करते हैं लेकिन फिर भी उनके बड़े सिनारियोज रहते हैं कि हमें छुट्टी चाहिए, हमें एग्ज़ाम का प्रिपेयर करना है. सो मुझे लगा है कि एटीट्यूड एक ऐसी चीज़ है, अगर आपका वो सही है तो आप 8 घंटे काम करके भी यू कैन फाइंड एनफ टाइम टू क्रैक दीज कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स.
Yes, sir. Correct.
सो जेम्स, कभी ऐसा भी लगा कि यार सेबी नहीं देता क्योंकि ये सब्जेक्ट तो मुझे आते नहीं है?
Well, I have decided in the, I have got these thoughts in the beginning that these are not at all in my domain, and there is a lot of competition, such as a lot of CA people are there, lot of MCOM people are there who have a very good amount of knowledge than us. And this is a honest answer that we all know. But when I have seen the results in 2022, lots of BTech people have been selected. More than 40% people are BTech people only. Then I have decided, okay, there are not only CA people, BTech people are also clearing. So I thought, why I can't clear this? Then I started reading these commerce subjects a lot.
और वो हो गया, मतलब
हो
पढ़ने
गया.
लग जाओ तो पूरा कर ही लेते हैं.
हो गया ऐसे.
जब आपने सेटबैक्स देखे 2022 में, फेज 1 नहीं हुआ, 2023 में यू गेव इंटरव्यू बट यू वर नॉट एबल टू गेट सेलेक्टेड, और इनफैक्ट इन्होंने 2024 का भी आरबीआई एग्ज़ाम दिया है फेज 2 का आपको. लेकिन एक कहानी बताता हूँ कि ये फेज 2 का एग्ज़ाम देने गए लेकिन 10 मिनट लेट हो गए, तो इनको इंटरव्यू रूम में घुसने, एग्ज़ाम रूम में घुसने नहीं दिया गया. So that was kind of really heartbreaking for James. He switched off his phone for 2 days. He was not even talking to us. तो बहुत चीज़ें हैं ऐसी जो हर एक की लाइफ में होती हैं. हमें बाहर से लगता है कि सिलेक्शन हो गया है. तो हमने बहुत सारे सेटबैक्स देखे हैं. सो एनी टाइम ड्यूरिंग दूस 3 years के आपको लगा था कि यार मतलब क्या फंस गया हूँ यार, मतलब टोटली डेवास्टेटेड जब फील होता है, लगता है कि गिव अप कर दूँ, ऐसा कोई टाइम था?
लगता है कभी कभी हमारे फ्रेंड्स को देख के लगता है कि they are in a good position, they are earning very well. Then I have thought कि I should have taken that campus placement. I should have been also in those position.
हम पास्ट में चले जाते हैं ना कि
हाँ,
काश वैसा कर लिया होता,
ऐसा
वैसा कर लिया होता.
अच्छा होगा ऐसे
हाँ.
कर लिया तो.
हम्म,
But I decided कि okay, I have already taken this decision. I should definitely give my 100%, and I should crack this at all at any cost.
तो जब आप लो फील करते थे, सेटबैक्स में होते थे, was there anybody to help you from your family or friends? क्या करते थे, मतलब how did you come out of that phase?
Well, basically, I'm an introvert, so I do not express my feelings much to anyone. But there are friends who were very nice to me. Because of them, they are also a part of my success. They,
आपने बहुत सारे सेक्रीफाइसेस किए हैं, मतलब प्लेसमेंट का सेक्रीफाइस किया, फिर यहाँ आए जॉब करने के लिए. ही इज़ फ्रॉम सदर्न इंडिया बट ही केम टू नदर्न इंडिया टू डू अ जॉब एंड विच इज़ नॉट वेरी हाई पेइंग, लेट मी बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट ऑन दैट.
Mm.
और भी बहुत सारे सेक्रीफाइसेस होंगे. आज तक का बिगेस्ट सेक्रीफाइसेस क्या रहा है आपकी लाइफ में?
I would say EduTap only. Coming to EduTap
Hmm.
has made me do a lot of sacrifices.
Hmm.
Home food, which I will be missing,
Hmm.
and the rice that I would be eating at my place. I won't get the rice here.
हाँ,
And no family time,
हाँ.
and
Missing your mom and dad
yeah,
and friends and all that.
and very far to go
Very
in
far to go.
weekends.
I remember when James came, just joined. He after a few days he told us that he's not able to adjust with the food and he wants to go for a work from home option. So that is not in our policy, but eventually he adjusted. वही होता है ना कि एक ग्रेट है, एटीट्यूड है यार, क्योंकि जॉब किस लिए करना है, क्योंकि एक प्रोफेशनलिज्म सीखना है, रेज्यूमे पे कुछ लेके आना है एंड उसके लिए जो भी करना पड़ेगा करेंगे, बिकॉज ही वॉज वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स दिस लार्जर गोल कि उसको रेगुलेटरी बॉडीज में सिलेक्शन लेना था. प्रिपरेशन का बेस्ट पार्ट क्या था विच यू रियली एंजॉयड, कि यार ये चीज़ करने में बड़ा मज़ा आता था?
I would say working, like solving the queries of students, has been a lot of fun. A lot of I would say it's a lot of how would I say that?
Satisfying,
It's very challenging.
challenging also.
Because in the beginning time in the edu tab, I got students who were asking like very basic questions. I thought, why are they preparing for these exams? Why they are asking these basic questions?
Huh.
Then after some times I understood, okay, we were also in that stage at some point. I understood, okay, those are some genuine queries. And sometimes I also seen the queries which are totally out of the box, like out of the syllabus. And I thought, why am I answering this? Why they are even asking this? I used to do a lot of research on those pages and ChatGPT and all to answer those questions, because I can't answer the wrong things just for sake of answering. So this has helped me a lot. To be honest, in phase 2 of CBI, there were a lot of finance out of syllabus questions have been asked, like upstream, downstream, and some other questions have been common. And I have solved these queries to the student. So back of my mind, I remember this. So I answered all the finance
Great.
MCQs.
So now coming to your preparation part now, आपके preparation में आपका सबसे major source क्या था? From where you studied for your syllabus and your exam preparation?
Well, I have referred to multiple sources,
Hmm.
but the main course that I have used is EduTap only, because I am working on that every day for total 8 hours a day. So obviously I will be using that only.
Huh.
And apart from that, I have also used a test series called Exam Kida.
Exam kid.
They have really good MCQs and test series, so I have used them. And apart from this, I have also used other courses also for MCQ solving.
MCQ solving. But
Yeah.
आपका जो major part था,
Major part EduTap only.
videos या जो भी
Yes,
PDFs या आपने
I
पढ़े
read
वो-
every PDF of EduTap course for accounts, costing, economics. For finance and management, I didn't read because I will be working on that same thing every
So
day.
he was working on finance and management every day. He was compiling notes and making MCQ. So that was kind of मतलब वो तो आपको याद ही हो गया था.
Hmm.
तो आपने EduTap के सारे PDFs पढ़े, सारे
sir.
MCQs करे,
Yes.
साथ में आप बोल रहे हैं आपने एग्जाम कीड़ा के भी MCQs करे. तो ओवरऑल कोई ऐसा कंपोनेंट जो आपको सबसे ज्यादा टफ लगा हो?
Toughest component is economics.
इकोनॉमिक्स.
Because it's too technical. Microeconomics is too technical. Macroeconomics I know very well, but micro is too technical. And I would like to take Kritika ma'am name again. She has helped me a lot. Whenever I'm reading in my lunch break, she used to come and ask me, have you able to understand this concept? Should I explain you again? Like that. And whenever, like whatever time I call her, whatever, even in the night, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, she would lift. She would message within seconds, whatever query I ask. So she has helped a lot for economics. I would like to give whole credit to her only for economics.
सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम इकोनॉमिक्स आपने बोला कि आपका जो सारा प्रिपरेशन है मेजर पार्ट EduTap से हुआ है. सो व्हाट वर द थिंग्स यू लाइक्ड इन द EduTap कोर्स?
EduTap course.
मतलब क्या वो एलिमेंट्स हैं जो आपको लगा कि हाँ यार ये चीज़ यहाँ पर अच्छी है?
Okay, that is very comprehensive. because I have observed this. Uh, there are a lot of people working
Hmm.
in this content making. Like an SME is there, educator is there, team lead is there.
Hmm.
So there is a lot of content filtering has been happening.
Hmm.
Whenever an SME makes content, it is being reviewed by educator and then team lead.
Hmm.
So that is the best part because the content has been comprehensive and it's in the simple form.
Hmm.
So this is the best thing I like in editor.
And how many months you prepared for SEBI if you may calculate your time?
Like 3 months mostly.
3 months.
Yeah.
But you were already prepared for
Yeah, I
FM
have prepared already for
for-
FM for
from
RB.
RBI
Yeah.
preparation. So if we say that a person who is starting afresh or who has already prepared for RBI, that person can prepare for SEBI within 6 months.
Yes, they can do it.
They can do it.
Yes.
That is possible,
That is
provided they
possible.
have time.
Yes.
Provided they have time.
Provided they are doing a good amount of
Hmm.
investing in the studying, that is fine.
Apart from reading all these components that we will discuss in a while, accounts, costing, companies act and all that, आपको क्या लगता है और ऐसी क्या चीजें हैं जो बच्चे को ध्यान रखनी चाहिए इन देयर प्रिपरेशन? मतलब पढ़ते तो सारे हैं बट कुछ ऐसी चीजें जो हम मिस ना करें.
The चीजें I would suggest students to give a lot of MCQs.
MCQs.
Yes, that is very important because content, how much ever you read, you will forget at the end of the day.
हाँ.
You have to solve the MCQs. That will help you retain the content. So that is the important thing.
तो MCQs आपने कितने सॉल्व किए टोटल अराउंड जस्ट अ रफ फिगर?
I have solved a lot of MCQs. Maybe more than 5,000 MCQs I have solved.
फॉर फेज 2 सब्जेक्ट्स.
Yes.
वाओ, दैट्स अ लॉट जेम्स. तो एमसीक्यूज करने से सबसे ज्यादा फायदा क्या होता था? से आप बाहर से एडिशनल एमसीक्यूज कर रहे हैं, उससे क्या फायदा होता था सबसे ज्यादा?
Well, the main thing I have taken those subscription is that uh, these MCQs that are present in EduTap are already familiar because I will be solving the students' queries and updating the MCQs. So these are like familiar. Whenever I open that quiz, back of my mind, I know the answer before only. So I thought to get some unfamiliarity, which we get in the exams also. I have taken the exam kuda. And their MCQs are very nice.
सो बेसिक मतलब यही है कि एग्जाम में हम जैसे किसी भी कोर्स से पढ़ रहे हैं, उनके एमसीक्यूज उसी ही कोर्स से रिलेटेड होते हैं, सेम लैंग्वेज में होते हैं. बट इन द एग्जाम देयर वुड बी अनफैमिलियर टेरिटरी वेयर द लैंग्वेज एंड द टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस माइट बी डिफरेंट. तो शायद ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम जिस कोर्स से पढ़ रहे हैं उसके एमसीक्यूज तो करें ही, साथ में हम एक अनफेमिलियर लैंग्वेज, अनफेमिलियर टाइप के एमसीक्यूज करें सो दैट वी आर रेडी फॉर द एग्जाम लाइक एनवायरनमेंट.
Yes, that is important. Like whenever a student read a course, they know how the teacher is teaching and how the framing of questions, framing of content is there. So the MCQs will be on the similar level. So I suggest them to solve the MCQs or test series from other sources also. That would help them.
Did you make notes also?
Yes, I have made notes.
So it's a very time consuming thing.
Yes.
कैसे
yes.
मैनेज करते थे आप नोट्स बनाना?
Well, I have got a very good app that is Jotero.
Jutero.
Zotero.
ZOTERO.
RO. Yes, sir.
Jutero.
Yes, sir.
ZOTERO. So that's an English word. Jutero means,
Yes,
I
sir.
think, keep working.
Yeah.
So, but their app name is in English. ZOTERO, right? Jutero.
Yes, sir.
So what is unique in that app?
Well, the uniqueness is that whenever you read a PDF, you just have to highlight the important keywords. That's it. At the end of your PDF, you can just click on it to make notes from the PDF. It will just give all the highlighted words at a simple format at one place. So that will help you to revise that notes only, not the whole PDF.
So it is making your revision more structured.
Yeah, at this whenever you do the revision second time, you can also cut those things into smaller paragraphs or smaller content. That would help you.
चलो अब थोड़ा सा सब्जेक्ट वाइज डिस्कस कर लेते हैं जल्दी जल्दी. आई डू नॉट वांट टू स्ट्रेच दिस इंटरव्यू फॉर 1 hour.
Yes.
तो क्वांट रीजनिंग इंग्लिश का कैसे प्रिपरेशन किया आपने?
Well, I haven't prepared anything extra because my quant reasoning English have been
गुड.
good from my college level.
College
So-
level, ठीक
and
है.
SEBI also doesn't require a higher
हाई लेवल, तो आपका वो ऐसे ही फ्री फंड में हो गया.
वो हो गया ऐसे.
करंट अफेयर्स के लिए
Current affairs in SEBI, there has been a very less weightage till last year, but this year we have seen there are some questions in phase 2, and I have prepared for the current affairs from the EduTap. I would like to give credit to Gurkir sir, his revision and those, what do we call,
Marathon session.
marathon sessions. Yeah, those are very helpful. Questions came from that.
फेज 1 में भी आपने वहीं से
हाँ
किया.
हाँ सर.
ठीक है. और जो फेज 2 के सब्जेक्ट्स हैं या फेज 1 में पेपर 2 के सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, लाइक कॉमर्स में कॉमर्स एंड अकाउंट्स, कॉस्टिंग, कंपनी लॉ, तो इनका थोड़ा बताएंगे. दैट कॉमर्स एंड अकाउंट्स इज अ वेरी टेक्निकल सब्जेक्ट.
Yes.
So did you read all the parts of your syllabus and did you do the numericals in depth also?
Well, commerce and accounts is very technical. That is right. But if we see in the previous year questions, the questions have not been too much difficult and not been in depth. So one has to analyze the previous year questions and the syllabus and how they are framing the questions. And I took the help of Manan. He used
So
to help.
Manan is our another SME who is working in the regulatory bodies domain.
Yeah, he has a very good knowledge in accounts.
Huh.
So he would also help me a lot whenever I ask him, whenever I call him. He used to simplify the accounting entries and all. That helped me a lot. For Companies Act, I have made notes. We have this PDF, that is a revision PDF. I think that name I don't recall it.
Section wise we have all the
Yeah.
things,
We have everything in one PDF.
in EduTap.
So I have printed it.
Okay.
And I have added some points which I feel are important, which are not in this PDF. Then I revised it like 10 or 20 times. I don't remember.
Because there are a lot of facts.
Lot of facts. And every day I used to revise it. Like I have decided every day 1 hour I will give to this paper, this book
So
only.
all the questions came from that PDF in the exam?
Yeah, every PDF, every question came from that PDF only, and I never missed a single question phase 1 and phase 2 also.
Of Companies Act?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's
तो
very scoring and you should also not miss the Companies Act.
इसको स्मार्ट वर्क बोलते हैं. कई लोग पूरा पूरा चैप्टर पढ़ते रहते हैं 10-10 बार. इन्होंने एक PDF पढ़ा, उसमें समरी वाली चीजें थी, थोड़ी बहुत इन्होंने और ऐड की और उसी को 10 बार पेला और उसी से पेपर आया. तो दैट इज व्हाट स्मार्ट वर्क इज और लक इज, व्हाटएवर यू मे कॉल. कॉस्टिंग भी थोड़ा टफ है ना यार?
Costing tough है, but I have decided I would, if they come a bit difficult, I would skip those questions.
Because anyways time नहीं
Because
होगा.
anyway we won't get that much time.
हाँ.
But luckily this year questions were easy in costing, so I have got them.
हाँ. जेम्स, अभी स्कोर कार्ड आया आपका?
नहीं आया सर.
नहीं आया अभी?
नहीं.
ठीक है, तो आने वाला होगा. बट कितने मार्क्स बन रहे थे आपके फेज 2 में?
Around 84 to 86.
86 आउट ऑफ 100. दैट इज द स्कोर जो ये मतलब लेके आ रहे हैं फेज 2 में. तो वही क्या पढ़ाई करके गए होंगे आप खुद ही सोचिए. और बाकी जो सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, फाइनेंस मैनेजमेंट, उनमें कुछ स्पेशल प्रिपरेशन आपने की नहीं होगी बिकॉज आप आरबीआई करके आए थे.
Yes sir.
इकोनॉमिक्स कैसे की? क्योंकि आपने पहले बताया कि इकोनॉमिक्स बहुत टफ थी आपके लिए.
I have read economics like 3-4 times fully. Like every PDF I read 3-4 times.
अच्छा.
Because if we took a break like 2 days after reading a PDF, we will forget that thing. Too technical it is. And I used to solve a lot of MCQs also. As I said, MCQs are very important. And that helped me retain those things which are technical. And I use ChatGPT also to make my own MCQs from any concept which I feel, okay, this part of concept doesn't have an MCQ from any of the course. So I decided I will give to ChatGPT, it will give me
तो
MCQs.
चैट जीपीटी एमसीक्यू बना देता था? बढ़िया.
Yes sir.
ओके. तो कोई स्पेशल प्रॉम्प्ट है या एक नॉर्मल प्रॉम्प्ट यूज करते थे आप?
स्पेशल प्रॉम्प्ट होता है.
स्पेशल प्रॉम्प्ट होता है जो जेम्स को ही पता है. वो क्या आपने वही वाला प्रॉम्प्ट यूज किया है जो EduTap का है?
नहीं, वो नहीं, अलग.
आपने अपना बनाया है. तो दैट इज वेरी स्पेसिफिक टू इकोनॉमिक्स. सो जेम्स हैज दैट. आप जेम्स से फ्रेंडशिप कीजिए और वो प्रॉम्प्ट बनाना सीख लीजिए. चलिए अब इंटरव्यू स्टेज पे आते हैं. तो इंटरव्यू आपका कहाँ हुआ था जेम्स?
It's in Chennai.
चेन्नई गए थे
Yeah,
आप?
first
हाँ,
day.
मुझे याद है, ये छुट्टी लेके गए थे. तो इंटरव्यू में कैसा फीलिंग था इंटरव्यू से पहले? हाउ इज द एटमॉस्फेयर देयर?
Oh, that atmosphere is very
टेंस?
tensed, stressful, because when we see a lot of people who are in very good stage, like I have talked to mostly all of them, everyone are like at very good stage in their life. Like many of them are CA, they have their own firms, and many of them are working in bank for last 6 years. Then at some point in my mind I got this thought, like where are we? they are all at the this level.
And they have good amount of experience. तो
yeah.
सेबी तो बोलेगा यार इनको लो. मैं जेम्स को क्यों लूं जो EduTap में नोट्स और क्वेश्चंस बना रहा है.
Why? And they have asked this in the interview also.
कि हम आपको क्यों ले.
हाँ आपको क्यों ले?
So आपने क्या आंसर दिया इसका?
I have prepared these questions. I would like to take Anjit sir's name for this because I used to, eat up his mind a lot
On
before
the
the
interview
interview.
preparation.
Yeah, I used to ask him a lot of HR questions and he used to make me the HR questions by taking his own time. Even after the work also, I used to message him to tell me, sir, how is this answer to my HR question? He used
So,
to,
so that helped you.
yeah, that helped really a lot.
So how was your overall interview? I mean, क्या क्या पूछा उन्होंने? One thing you told that they asked you about your work profile in EduTap.
Yeah.
तो कुछ उन्होंने सेबी के बारे में पूछा, सेबी के करंट अफेयर्स के बारे में पूछा.
Like, as I told you before, if you have a job, that interview will go in that line only. You can lead that interview. So I have expected that they will ask me about what work you are doing in EduTap, and I have decided that I will give the answer that I am working on finance and management content creation. So I decided that they will definitely ask a follow-up question: what content you created and recent content which you have created. So I do have the answer for this in my mind. I will tell only the strongest area which I know, even though I am not created content that one recently. So I have told bonds. So they were like, okay, bonds. Okay, you tell me about the bonds. What are ADRs, GDRs, and these all things. So which I have answered them freely. That helped me a lot.
So you were driving your own interview,
Yes.
knowingly that if I answer this, they will further ask this. That is a very good part if you are able to derive that.
Yes.
तो उन्होंने और कुछ ऐसा क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा विच यू वर नॉट एबल टू आंसर या आपको लगा कि यार बाप रे ये क्या पूछ लिया यार ये तो मुझे आता ही नहीं है.
Yes, they do have asked. Like they have asked me, why should we select you? For that I have answered these and these skills that I have. I will do. Then they asked me follow up. I haven't expected that they will ask me this follow up. That, tell us in practical situation where you have used these skills. Then I have told them that I used technology for making the summaries of reports and analyzing the report. Then they have counted me. Even a sixth class student will do this. What's the specialty in you? Then I was like shocked. What should I answer to them? Then I have told them in a good manner that ChatGPT will give wrong results most of the time, but you should train it very well. You have to give the feedback regularly, then only it will give correct results. Then they were satisfied with that answer.
That's great. So most of the times they will challenge you what you are saying. Not just that they are against you. They just want to see that how do you respond.
Yes.
That, do you accept that कि हाँ ये तो कोई भी कर सकता है. और do you really acknowledge कि नहीं सर ऐसा आसान नहीं है मैंने ऐसा करके देखा था बट उससे रिजल्ट नहीं आ रहा था फिर मुझे उसको ट्रेन करना पड़ा.
Yes sir, correct. They also check your presence of mind.
Presence of mind, right?
Yes.
तो अगर आपका सेबी में ना होता जेम्स तो फिर क्या होता आगे?
Sir, I was not worried about this because I already have a job, and I am thinking to give other bank exams also, which I think I can clear them. So I was not worried about that. So that helped me ease in the interview stage.
तो अभी आपका सेबी हो गया है बट आपका प्राइमरी एम आरबीआई था. वुड यू थिंक ऑफ प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर आरबीआई सम टाइम इन फ्यूचर या फिर अभी बस सेबी में जाके थोड़ा देखना है काम और सीखना है?
That I can only tell after joining SEBI. I have to know what is the SEBI from the inside. How is the work profile and all.
So अभी आपके ग्रुप्स बन गए होंगे जो लोग सेलेक्टेड
Yes,
हैं.
sir.
उनमें फुल मटरगश्ती चल रही होगी.
Full
कि
मजा
क्या-
चल रही है.
कि क्या इन हैंड आएगा, कहाँ पोस्टिंग होगी, कहाँ घर लेंगे, है ना?
हाँ.
ऐसा चल रहा होगा.
ऐसे चल रहा है
It's a
सब.
very exciting phase.
Very exciting phase.
Very exciting phase, and till the training it will go, and after that you will all get absorbed in your jobs.
Yes, there is a selected who is already working in SEBI is already in the group. So he was guiding us
अच्छा
through this.
अच्छा
So
तो
he is telling us that training will start from 20th Jan only. So you will be in a very fun time. You will have that. So enjoy and all.
that's great. So there's somebody already guiding them कि आगे क्या होने वाला है. तो आप कुछ जाते जाते कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे अपने फेलो एस्पिरेंट्स के लिए जो नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं रेगुलेटरी बॉडीज के लिए? क्या बोलना चाहेंगे? आपकी क्या लर्निंग है जो आप एक मैसेज उनको बोलना चाहेंगे?
Well, I would tell students to not only do hard work, they should do smart work also, because hard work is not enough with this competition that we have, because everyone are doing hard work and everyone have very good amount of skills and experience. So you should do smart work, use the technologies with your preparation like ChatGPT. It will help you a lot. So
तो स्मार्ट वर्क ज़रूर करें, सिर्फ घिस्सू बन के पढ़ाई मत करें। और स्मार्ट वर्क कोई मतलब बहुत मुश्किल चीज़ नहीं है। स्मार्ट वर्क वही वो जैसा बोल रहे हैं कि आप थोड़ा सा नीड एनालाइज कीजिए, किस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं सिलेबस में, क्या इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्या छोड़ सकते हैं। और किसी चीज़ को समराइज करने के लिए चैट जीपीटी यूज़ करें, एमसीक्यूज बनाने के लिए चैट जीपीटी यूज़ करें। तो कोई बहुत मुश्किल नहीं है स्मार्ट वर्क करना, थोड़ा सा बस एक इंटेंट होगा तो अपने आप रास्ता बनता चलेगा।
yes sir.
So thank you, James, for being here. It was really nice talking to you. I am really, really happy to see somebody who is working in my team clearing a prestigious exam like CB. This not only vindicates what we are doing, but this really gives me a lot of satisfaction कि यार चलो जो हमारे साथ था, हमारे साथ जुड़ा हुआ था, जिसको हम हर रोज देखते थे, he has been able to achieve something in life. Wish all of you best of luck for your exams. मेहनत करते चलिए, रिजल्ट की चिंता मत कीजिए, हमारे हाथ में मेहनत है, मेहनत करेंगे तो रिजल्ट भी आ जाएगा। लव यू ऑल, बाय बाय।